Hannah and Zimal loved to explore and solve mysteries. One day in the library, Hannah found an old, dusty book. As she opened it, a secret page fell out. Zimal, look at this. Wow, it has a map. And what are these funny symbols? It shows a temple under the ocean. Maybe we can find it. Finally, they found the place. The Sunken Temple of Lumora, lost in the ocean for many, many years. The next morning, they packed their bags and jumped into a boat. The water was blue and sparkly. It was time for an adventure. With a splash, they dived into the sea. Fish swam past them, and shiny bubbles floated up. It was quiet and peaceful until something huge appeared in front of them. There it is, Hannah whispered. Temple was big and old, covered in seaweed and glowing pictures. It looked like it had been waiting for them for a long, long time. Do you feel that? Zimal whispered. Like someone is watching us? A soft whoosh of water made them shiver, but they were brave. They swam to the door of the temple and looked at the strange carvings. It's a puzzle, Hannah said. We have to press the right symbols. She carefully touched one, then another. And suddenly, rumble. The door slowly opened with a loud creak. Hannah and Zimal swam inside. The temple was dark. On a big stone table, they saw it, a golden medallion. There it is, Hannah whispered. But before she could grab it, something moved. A huge, gigantic octopus slid out from the shadows. Its eyes glowed yellow, and its long tentacles waved in the water. Hannah? Zimal whispered. Yeah. Run! The octopus swam toward them, its tentacles crashing into the walls. Hannah and Zimal dodged left and right, trying not to get caught. Then Hannah had an idea. Zimal, octopuses don't like bright lights. Quickly, she turned on her underwater flashlight and shined it right at the octopus. The big creature squinted and pulled back. Zimal turned on his light too. It worked. The octopus swam away, hiding in the dark. Now's our chance, Hannah said. She grabbed the golden medallion. Suddenly, boom! The temple started shaking. The walls cracked. Rocks began to fall. Oh no, Zimal shouted. It's falling apart. Hannah and Zimal swam as fast as they could. The temple entrance was closing. Faster, faster, Hannah yelled. With one big push, they squeezed through just as the temple collapsed behind them. Finally, they reached the surface. We did it, Hannah cheered. Zimal flopped onto the deck, breathing hard. Yeah, and I wasn't scared. Nope, not at all. They both laughed. Hannah looked at the golden medallion in her hands. It was old, but something about it felt magical. She turned it over, and suddenly it started to glow. Zimal, look, she gasped. It's showing a new map on a jungle. Zimal sat up fast. A jungle? You mean another adventure? Hannah grinned. Yes. This is just the beginning.